Hi, I'm Mimi. Let me show you how to assemble and install your WindFall Box Set. With the WindFall Box Set, all you will have to add is an iPad and a printer or an air cache device. Let's have a look at the WindFall cache drawer. Up top, we have a mounting hole for your stand. 4 holes for mounting the cache drawer to the underside of the countertop. And a power cord pass-through. Each side of the drawer features a Kensington security slot. On the bottom of the drawer, we have the drawer kick port and the manual override. Holes for securely mounting to a countertop. And a hidden media slot that doubles as a handle. Each WindFall cache drawer houses 2 removable WindFall tills, pivot table for WindFall cache drawer, assembly tool, and assembly screw. Drawer kick cable for Star receipt printers. Drawer kick cable for Epson receipt printers. Manual override keys. You won't use these often, but keep them in a safe place. Countertop mounting screws and key. Under counter mounting screws. The included WindFall stand features 4 tamper-resistant security screws, a reversible branding card, and channels to manage and secure your tablet's power cords. On the base, there's a pivoting point to secure the WindFall stand to the cache drawer. WindFall stand assembly key. Spin stopper for the 2014 square reader. The box set includes a matching penny tray and a screw to secure it to the countertop. To hide your Star receipt printer under the counter, use the included WindFall hanger. Kensington ClickSafe cable lock with ClickSafe anchor adapter. Unlike conventional cache drawers, the WindFall cache drawer is designed to primarily be controlled by your point-of-sale app. Therefore, the manual override is discreetly located on the underside of the drawer. In the event that you have to manually override the drawer latch, lift the drawer slightly to insert the key. Then turn the key with your thumb. Pull the drawer completely open. On the right side, push and hold the latch down. On the left side, push and hold the latch up. Then pull the drawer off the tracks. Feed about a foot of your tablet's power cord through the pass-through hole. Route the power cord around the corner of the latch assembly. Then tuck the cord into the slot on the bottom. Pass the power cord through the center of the pivot table. And tuck the cord into the channel under the pivot table. Align the pegs of the pivot table to the holes on top of the cache drawer and drop it in place. Pass the power cord through the hole in the base of the WindFall stand and place the WindFall stand on the pivot table. Insert the pivot table head with its channel pointing directly backwards. Secure the pivot table head using the included screw and key. Tighten the screw until the desired pivot resistance is achieved. Install the bottom 2 screws of the WindFall stand backplate. Be sure to route the power cable through the groove in the bottom of the backplate. Put the iPad in place and install the top 2 security screws. Be mindful not to over-twist the cord. Remove the upper right assembly screw. Place the spin stopper and reinstall the assembly screw. Connect the drawer kick cable to the star printer. Connect the other end of the cable to the cash drawer. Refer to the instructions for your point-of-sale app to learn how to connect your app to your receipt printer. For Epson printers, use the special cable included with the WindFall Box Set. Note the 2 different cable ends. Insert the printer end into the DK port. Install the ClickSafe anchor into the Kensington security slot. You can also install the ClickSafe anchor hidden on the inside wall of the cash drawer. Place the WindFall hanger about 4 inches from the front edge of the countertop and mark the holes. Drill pilot holes for the screws. Pass the cords through the hanger. Your star printer shipped with a vertical mounting bracket. Install it now. Hang the printer on the 2 pre-installed screws. Use the countertop screws to mark the hole positions. Drill pilot holes for the screws. Use the tool provided to install the screws. Leave some slack in these screws to allow access to the mechanical override. Have a friend hold the cash drawer in place under the counter while you mark the holes. Pre-drill holes for the screws.